In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refinance a car loan with Credit Karma, perfect for beginners looking to make the most of their auto loan. So let's dive right into it and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First off, you'll want to go to Intuit Credit Karma's website. It's a straightforward way to start evaluating your refinancing options. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL, or click through to the site if you're following along with us. Once you're on the site, the next step is to look for the section labeled Auto Refinance Loans. This section will guide you through the various options available, tailored specifically to your current financial situation. Make sure you click on it to get started with the refinancing process. Now, let's talk numbers. You'll need to input your credit score. This is crucial because your credit score will significantly influence the different refinancing offers you may receive. Enter the most recent credit score available to ensure you're seeing the most accurate loan options tailored to your current credit situation. Next, you'll enter your remaining loan balance. This refers to the amount you still owe on your existing car loan. Being accurate here is essential because it allows Credit Karma to calculate the best options for refinancing your loan based on your current debt. Similarly, enter the remaining term of your existing loan. This is how long you have left to pay on your current car loan, typically measured in months. Make an effort to be precise because it can affect the refinancing terms you're offered. Following the remaining term, it's time to decide on your desired term for the refinance loan. A handy tip: it's often recommended to keep this the same as, or even shorter than, your current loan term, which can help in potentially lowering your interest rate or monthly payment. Then, input your current monthly payment. This is the regular payment amount you make on your existing loan. Providing this information helps calculate prospective offers that are favorable to your financial needs. Once all this is done, Credit Karma will show you the estimated annual percentage rate, or APR, of the loan offers based on the information you've entered. Understanding this will help you compare the costs over the life of the loan proposals. After you've carefully reviewed your inputs and are satisfied everything checks out, go ahead and click on Refresh Offers. This update will adjust and refine the loan offers to your most recent data inputs. Finally, you'll be able to see your options for refinancing. These will appear on the right side of the screen, offering detailed information on each potential loan. Take your time here to review and compare these options to make the best decision that aligns with your financial goals. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to refinance a car loan using Credit Karma. Thanks for joining us and happy refinancing.